Winter had arrived, and the nights were very cold. In a small house at the end of the street lived a poor family, a mother, a father, and their 2 children. They did not have much, but they always tried to help others when they could. One evening, the wind was strong, and the family sat close to their small heater. The youngest child looked outside and said, "Mama, some people must be very cold tonight." The mother nodded. She thought of the old blanket they kept in the cupboard. It was not new, but it was clean and warm. She brought it out and said, "Maybe someone else needs this more than we do." The father agreed. Together, they folded the blanket neatly. The older child wrote a small sign on a piece of paper. "If you need this, please take it." They placed the blanket and the sign outside their front door before going to sleep. The family hoped that the blanket would reach someone who really needed it. The next morning, when they opened the door, the blanket was gone. But on the step, they saw a small piece of paper. The father picked it up and read it aloud. "Thank you. You saved my night." The family looked at each other and smiled. They did not know who took the blanket, but they felt warm inside. Even though they had little, they had shared something important. And someone, somewhere, felt safe and warm because of them. The mother said softly, "When we give from the heart, the world becomes a little kinder." The children nodded, feeling proud. The cold winter morning suddenly didn't feel quite so cold anymore.